Here's the Echo Show 5 third generation. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset. Very simple. So at the top here, you want to slide down and we want to go to settings. So we're going to go to settings right there. Now from here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to scroll down until you see device options. Okay, tap on device options. Now we're going to go ahead and scroll down and it says reset to factory defaults. Go ahead and tap on that, and now you have two options: reset to factory defaults but retain smart home connections, or you can do the whole shebang. Okay, for myself, I'm going to do the whole shebang. Reset to factory defaults right there. Your device will be deregistered from your Amazon account and all of your directly connected smart home devices will be reset. Okay, and this whole process will take a few minutes. And then we're going to go ahead and tap on reset here. It's booting back up. And there you go. We just performed factory reset. Now I can go ahead and do everything. I can set it up by myself again for a nice clean slate, or I can go ahead and sell it.